Good morning or afternoon. Today we are looking at Book 1, number 70, Easy Eighths. This tune incorporates eighth rests. And if you remember when we started on number 71 yesterday, an eighth rest is just like an eighth note, but it's silent. That's to say, an eighth note is one half of a count, or one half of a beat. Much like number 71, number 70 has all of your eighth rests on the upbeat or the and. Another way to say that would be that every time you have an eighth rest in number 70, your foot will be in the air because it's the upbeat. Some other things to look at in number 70 are the key signature and the time signature. The key signature for some of you has one sharp. That would be trumpets, tenor sax, and clarinets. If you play flute or low brass or mallets, your key signature will have one flat, and that's B flat, meaning that your E's will be E naturals. If you play alto sax, your key signature will have two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. And if you play French horn, you will have no flats in your key signature, which means that you'll be playing B naturals. Also, looking at the time signature, we're working in 3/4 today, so that means 3 beats per measure. There's also a first ending and a second ending. So remember, when you get to the repeat sign at the end of the first ending, you go back to the beginning, and then after you've repeated, you don't play the first ending again, you skip straight to the second. And then yet another thing that we have in number 70 is the accidental or the natural or sharp sign that's written in the measure in measure number 3. For some of you, that is going to be a natural sign. For some of you, it'll be a flat. Also, looking at the second ending, this first measure has that accidental that's either a natural or a flat sign, depending on what instrument you play. And then 2 counts later, it goes back to what it was. It's telling you that, yes, while an accidental does last the whole measure, in this case, we need you to go back to what it said in the key signature. For percussion, it looks like the only non-pitched option today is suspended cymbal with stick. And your rhythms here where you have the eighth rests are the same as everybody else. Some of them are a little bit different, so I don't think we need more than 1, maybe 2 people playing this part, but the majority of us should be on mallets today. So good luck on this one. Don't be afraid to go slow and even go measure by measure. This one's got some challenging stuff in it. Good luck and have fun.